Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create your own collage with Pinterest. I opened Pinterest the other day because I wanted to make a quick mood board, and instead of saving random pins all over the place, I went straight to the Create section on the left panel and looked for the Collage tool so I could build everything in one organized space. And once I open it, I pick a background color first to set the vibe, then started searching for images like basketball aesthetics and inspirational visuals, and I just drag and drop different pins onto the canvas, resizing and positioning them until the layout started feeling right for me, almost like arranging a digital scrapbook. And I even experimented with adding text and changing colors to match the theme better. And the nice part is, everything saves automatically, so I didn't have to worry about losing progress. And if I ever wanted to restart or clean it up, I could just use the options menu to manage the draft, which honestly makes it a really smooth way to create vision boards without needing any extra design software. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.